enjoying a cool dip in the pool. Well, now I'm filming something as a souvenir of my place.
Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Did you know that you can get to know the world and learn valuable lessons? Did you also know that traveling is an investment in experiential learning? Let's talk about the benefits of living or traveling overseas in this video. This lifestyle may not be for everyone, as it is also rooted in the missionary gift of a person. Some people have the gift of mission, while others are mansion people. Mansion people are happy staying at home and not traveling anywhere. It is important to know who you are as a person. This video session is about avoiding the pitfalls of gaining the world. It is about who God called us to be in keeping our soul while doing the work that He has prepared for us to do. So what are the benefits of living or traveling overseas? Let's begin. Number 1, it expands your understanding of life. In the seeking of the world, do not lose your soul, for the soul is eternal. Seeking riches, honor, and pleasures to pursue the world, to gain the world, will forfeit a man's soul. It is not worth it to lose your life over these worldly pursuits. Number 2, you experience new things such as food, culture, and places. Traveling is an investment in experiential learning. The world is a beautiful place because it belongs to God. If we love Jesus Christ, then we will not desire to choose worldly pursuits over God. Number 3, you learn to live simply. If you have food, clothing, and shelter wherever you are in this world, then you are blessed. In 2022, Oxfam and Save the Children record that a person dies every 48 seconds in East Africa due to hunger. Pray for a resolution or help resolve world hunger, one of the most basic and solvable problems in the world today. Number 4, you meet new people and appreciate diversity. The soul is more valuable than anything. No amount of riches, honor, and pleasure can outweigh it. It is not worth it to lose your soul, your life for the world. It is much better to obey God than to sacrifice yourself. To obey is better than sacrifice. Number 5, you have a second home. Know that you are doubly blessed if you have a home, family, or friends wherever in the world you may be. Number 6, you have an appreciation of your home country. When you travel or live in another land or a new country, you learn to appreciate more your family, friends, and community in your home country. Number 7, you realize that you have a home country of your own while others are not given that opportunity. Think of refugees and displaced people who are stateless. Having your home country taken away from you is akin to losing your soul. Once the soul is lost, it is lost forever and cannot be redeemed. And number 8, you travel and live with a purpose to help and improve people's lives. That's why Jesus Christ laid down His life for us to redeem our souls so that it won't be lost forever to worldly pursuits. Jesus Christ's death on the cross is the ultimate redemption for our lives. Nothing more comes after it. When He redeemed us to have life in Him, nothing else that we can ever want in this world other than live a life in God. So it is best to choose a life in God and do well. When you are given the opportunity to travel and see the world, never lose your soul for it. When you care more about being well with others or seeking worldly pursuits than loving God, you lose your soul. No amount of riches, honor, and pleasures can outweigh your soul. Life is so much more than this, and realize that it is God who gave us life in Him. I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.